I had valve replacement, valve repair, and bypass. Consultation was excellent. We met her at the hospital. She was very approachable, not stuffy, interested in everything, and also a very, very nice person. I would fully trust her 110%. She explained everything. She was very, very approachable. She said she kept my daughter in the loop at all times. You couldn't have anything any better. She came to see me, and she came to see me on a regular basis, even when she shouldn't do. Her whole support was superb, and she had a very, very good team working for her.